There we go, good lighting. That is what we want right about now. It is another dreary and miserable day in England today. Don't you just love the contrast in the UK weather? One day we go like to 22 degrees, sunshine, and everyone's like in such a glorious mood, and the next day it is dark, miserable, and chucking it down with rain. I'm actually off to Manchester this weekend. I've checked the forecast and it's actually supposed to be sunny there. It's never sunny in Manchester, I swear. Every time I go it's normally raining, and it's actually supposed to be raining in Nottingham tomorrow, so fingers crossed that forecast sticks around. Anyway guys, what I'm here for, I actually went to Home Bargains yesterday. Now I feel like there was a point in time where I was going to Home Bargains every other week and bringing you guys like huge hauls on this channel, but I'll be completely honest, I've just took a step back. I've took a step back from Home Bargains, B&M and them kind of shops, because whenever I go in there I seem to spend money. How? I spent 70 quid on this haul, guys. Like literally, what did I spend 70 quid on? Did I need to spend all of that money? I don't know, but yeah, I just feel like Home Bargains is one of that place where you're like, oh, I'll just nip in for a deodorant, I'll nip in for like another anti-bac spray, and then you come out having spent loads of money. To be fair, in all honesty, it was kind of like that time of the month where I did need to stock up on just home essentials. So anyway, it's just a random bit and bob haul. There's nothing like crazy interior wise. I don't know what it is about these kind of videos, but I just love watching them. I just love watching what food people have picked up, what cleaning stuff people have picked up. Is that a sign I'm getting old? I don't know. Today I'm sipping on water, very boring indeed, but yeah, I'm trying to up my water intake at the moment, and these cups, by the way, just come in so handy if you want to try and up your water intake. I don't know what it is, but whenever I have this I feel like I do drink more water, so cheers to that. Anyway, let's just jump straight on in, guys. I'm not going to bore you and chew your ears off too much. So by the way, I always go to the Leicester Home Bargains. I just wanted to establish that because I always get so many questions because I live in Notts, and fellow Notts people will know that the Home Bargains in Notts are just crap. Like, they're so bad. So yeah, I always go to the Leicester one near B&Q just in case you wanted to know, because that's the better one. Or Derby's better. Right, let's just jump in. First thing, stock up of razors. I've got the Wilkinson Quattro sword ones. These are like a couple of quid, and you got 4. And I always like the ones that have that kind of like nice soft strip on. Okay, I've just took the cover off that. And yeah, like a few nice blades. I always find that these are quite soothing and soft on your skin, so yeah, grab some of them because obviously they're essential. Then I just picked up some Johnson's Soft and Energized Body Wash. This is watermelon and rose aroma. I actually used this in the shower this morning, and oh my goodness, it's fresh. It's so nice. So yeah, really recommend that for a shower gel. Next thing I picked up, very boring, just a 2-pack of toothbrushes. I do use an electric toothbrush, but at Mitchell's house I don't have an electric toothbrush. And do you know when you just need to replace your toothbrush, like it's looking a bit minging? Not said that word in years. So yeah, I picked up one for there, and also I'm going to Manchester at the weekend. So I mean, have I already told you I'm going to Manchester at the weekend? I think I have, but yeah, so I just got one to put in my toiletries bag. I mean, I don't know why is it, guys, that when you go like on a weekend away you don't take your electric toothbrush? I feel like I always just take like one of these ones with me, when actually I could just take my electric one. I don't know what that's all about. Oh, and next up, guys, something super exciting, a deodorant. I struggle finding deodorants that stop me sweating. So obviously the whole purpose of deodorants is, you know, to spritz and you smell fresh and you don't sweat, you don't get BR and start smelling throughout the day. But I'll be very honest, like I feel like with a lot of women's deodorants, I will spray and then like I'm still sweating and they don't really help. So yeah, I feel like the Mitchum ones are okay. There was one point in time where I was like, oh, the Mitchum ones are brilliant, but yeah, I've kind of moved on from them as well. Usually I use men's, but anyway, I picked this up on a whim a few weeks ago. It's the Dove Nourishing Secrets Refreshing Summer Ritual Aloe Vera and Rose Water. It's got no alcohol in as well, so it's like obviously quite good to spray there, because obviously you have to be careful with what you're spraying. But anyway, the point is, guys, this is amazing. Like literally I spray this, I'm fresh all day, like no sweating, and yeah, I just really wanted to recommend that if you struggle finding deodorant that obviously just helps do its job. So yeah, love that. Okay, next up I just picked up this. You'll have seen this a million times over if you watch my Home Bargains hauls on the regular. It's just the Flash Traditional Natural French Soap Spray. It's the best. It's my favourite scent ever when it comes to spritzing down the kitchen. Love. They also do this in a floor spray too. I then just picked up some more hairspray. Trust may have changed the bottle slightly. I've been using this for around about 10 years and Guys, I just cannot find a better hairspray than this. It doesn't make your hair go too crispy. It still holds in your curls. I just love this. And it smells nice as well. It's not got that horrible hairspray smell. Then I just picked up a toothpaste. This is the Max White Limited Edition Spearmint by Colgate. I think this was like 80p. Don't know if it's any good, but I got that. Then I picked up, this is from the Kate Hayes range. I saw that she's got a range in Home Bargains now. And do you know what? Whenever I watch like TikTok videos of girls doing their makeup, they've always got these like bougie clips, like here, like to move their hair out the way. And I'm like, why didn't I do that? Because I'm constantly like moving my hair, you know, from my face. So yeah, I wanted to be that person and have some of these when I do my makeup. So yeah, I grabbed them. They were like really inexpensive. I can't remember the price off the top of my head, but like maybe £1 or so. Then I picked up some more bubble bath. Again, this is just the same old. I never really change up my bubble bath because I just know what I like. And I know what doesn't irritate my skin either. And I got the Imperial Leather Enchanted Escape Midnight Orchid Relaxing Bath Soap. This smells beautiful. And again, that's only around about £1. Okay, then I simply picked up 2 bars of the Simple Soap for sensitive skin. So this is no artificial perfume or colour that can upset your skin. So obviously when it comes to showering, guys, I'll use this all over my body, just like general. But when it comes to that area, I like to use just a soap with no fragrance, because obviously your pH system, if you didn't already know, can be knocked out when you use like heavily fragranced things, and not to mention it can be super sensitive down there and you can irritate. So yeah, I just like to use a no fragrance soap for that area. Right, then I just picked up another repurchase of the Dr. Beckman Carpet Stain Remover. I'm gonna be honest, like I've got a few stains on my white rug at the moment, and this doesn't even seem to be touching it. So I don't know if I need to get like a rug doctor or like something a little bit more, you know, heavier, is that the word? You know what I mean, a little bit more intense. But yeah, normally for any other stains, this is brilliant and it does work magic. I also use this on my car seats when I'm giving like my car a good old clean. So yeah, I do love this product. It is very good. Yeah, on my white rug at the moment, there just seems to be some like, not even orange marks. I don't know, just, you can see where it's a bit grubby and not even that's cleaning it. So I don't know. Any suggestions or anything else that is maybe better than this, let me know. Right, then I just picked up some good old hay fever tablets. Hay fever season has well and truly kicked in for me, and I'm suffering, guys. So yeah, grab some more of them. And then I just picked up some Flash Strong and Thick wipes. These are in the Cherry Blossom scent. You get 60 large wipes equals 100. Oh, so you get 60 large wipes. Sorry, that was very confusing. But I just merely use these for the toilet. That's all. I obviously try and be as eco-friendly as possible, but when it comes to the toilet, I don't really like to reuse cloths. I like to use these. So that's what I use them for. Next, I picked up, oh, this is a newbie. So it's the Pink Stuff Miracle Laundry Liquid in Sensitive Non-Bio. So I figured out not long ago that I'm actually, well, I've all of a sudden developed an allergy to laundry detergent. So before this, you guys will know, I used to use like Surf, like all the nice fragrance ones. I used to put the beads in and everything like that. Anyway, all of a sudden, I started getting really itchy and developing rashes. And, you know, when I'd get into Mitchell's freshly washed bed sheets, I was itching, and in mine. And it got to the point where I would literally have to strip the freshly washed bed sheets off because it was that bad. And so I was like, oh my God, like, what is this? Like, why am I all of a sudden itching and just an itchy mess in like new freshly washed clothes? So someone said to me, why don't you try non-bio? It could be, you know, your washing detergent, made the switch, and I've not itched since. So yeah, crazy, right? The only annoying thing is like, I can't buy like all the nicely scented stuff now. But this actually smells really fresh. It actually just smells really good. And I normally use like a fairy softener, like again, the sensitive one. And to be fair, my clothes do still smell like really nice. I think I have picked up a different one this time, but we'll see. But yeah, this is only like £2.79 and you get 32 washes in. So I'll let you know how I get on with that, but I do quite like the Pink Stuff. Then I just picked up paracetamol, boring, but like a comfort essential. Picked up some Simple Kind to Skin moisturizing facial wash. Again, I don't know why I got this. I'm a sucker for like mini products. This was literally like 30p. And I was like, oh, I can take that to Manchester with me in my like toiletries bag, even though I have a really nice face wash. But yeah, I got drawn into the mini. Then I just picked up, oh, Sorry, this is really random. It was a pack of 2 for £2.99. It is the, oh, I don't know, what have I done with the packaging? I think I chucked the packaging away. But it's the really nice car smelly ones. I love these, they smell so good. If you want a really nice car freshener, I do recommend these. I can't remember what they're called, are they Lenore? I don't know. Anyway, I got them. Next up, I just picked up some more hand sanitizer. This is the Carex Love Hearts one. It smells so good. I have so much of this. I got one in my car. I ran out of the one in my bag. I just like to have some everywhere. Honestly, since the coronavirus pandemic, I've really got into hand gel. I'll be honest, I never ever used to use hand gel before. Obviously I used to like wash my hands and stuff, but never would I ever like go shopping and then, you know, get in my car and like sanitize kind of thing. I think actually it's good practice to get into, because without even realizing and taking away like the coronavirus, you are picking up so much germs with everything you touch. So yeah, I definitely will be carrying on with this, and it is something that I'm glad I've kind of like realized since corona. Right, that's bag number 1 done. Oh, bag number 2, I can see some food. Oh my goodness, guys, if you've not tried these, you need to get a pack. They are delicious. So these are the Milka Cake and Choc bars. They're basically like soft sponge cakes with like chocolate filled inside them. Oh my god, they are delicious. They are 150 calories per cake slice. They're not too bad. You know, you could have one for like a dessert or just a snack here and there when you've got a sweet tooth. And yeah, I really recommend. Mitchell got me into these when we went shopping for his little snack box. So I made him have a snack box at his house because he never does a food shop, so he never has food in. And I have the biggest sweet tooth ever. Like honestly, as soon as I have my evening meal, I need something sweet. Literally, I can't go bed without just a little something sweet. Even if it's like an apple, like I don't know what it is. Does anyone else have the same issue? And yeah, there's been so many times when I'm at Mitchell's and I'm like, oh my god babe, I need something sweet, and he never had anything in. And I'd end up ordering dessert, which I didn't want to get in the habit of doing all the time. You know, I'd rather just take like one of these bars or something. Not to mention it's costly ordering dessert every time I'm around his. So yeah, I've got my own snack box now, and he was like, why don't you try these when we was in Home Bargains? And I'm so glad he introduced me to them. Like, look at that goo inside. They're so nice. Sorry guys, I've just found the what the car thing is. It is Febreze Cotton Fresh twin pack, for anyone wanting to know. £2.99 I think these were, and yeah, they're really good and last quite a while. Okay, continuing with food, I actually popped into my mum's the other day, and she had randomly these snowballs, which are coconut covered marshmallows. Now I'm not normally a big marshmallow person. I wouldn't buy a pack of marshmallows and eat them. And you know, if I went to a barbecue and people was like, oh, let's toast marshmallows, like I'd do it, but I wouldn't actually eat them because I don't like marshmallows on their own. I know that sounds really weird, bottom line, I'm a bit funny with marshmallow. Like, it's not something I love. But anyway, this is a serious combination, guys. Like, they are so good. So yeah, I got into these because mum made me try one when I went round hers, and I was like, oh my god, these are so nice. And now I've had to buy my own pack. So yeah, these are individually wrapped as well, which is quite good. How many calories are these, by the way, just out of interest? 134, so again, not too bad. Okay, next up, every pet person's essential in their cupboard. And it is a lint roller. These are literally like 69p in Home Bargains. And yeah, I go through so many of these because whenever I touch my cat and I've got black on, I am absolutely covered. And it's so annoying because it's like, I want to pick my cat up and have a cuddle, but then I don't want to be covered in fur. Speaking of pets, I then just picked up some Dreamies, the tasty chicken ones. They love these. Oh, then something actually like non-householdy and exciting. I picked up these. Now, I reckon these were like £1 something, which I didn't think was too bad. They do them in black as well. I thought I'd get the clear ones because they look quite, yeah, they look like glass when they're not. The plastic. But yeah, I thought I'd get these for outside. So when I did Mitchell his party, oh my god, the struggle for not wine glasses as much, but just tumblers. I got tumblers too. It was real. Like, because when you're living on your own, I don't go out and buy 20 glasses. So then when you've got like 30 in your garden and you only have 20 glasses, I thought, oh my god, and everyone was asking for a glass, which I didn't think they would do. I thought people would just drink out of their bottles and stuff. But yeah, anyway, so I thought I'd just purchase some more. I think these ones were like 49p for the tumblers. The glasses were obviously more expensive. But yeah, I just thought they were really pretty. And I also picked up Danielle, if you're watching, you'll be excited to know I now have a picture. So again, when Danielle came over for Mitchell's birthday, we wanted to do pins, and I only have that like £1 picture that I've got from Poundland, which isn't huge. I needed something bigger. So I have it in here actually, so I can show you. Yeah, I do. I can't bother. But yeah, this one's got a lid and it's just loads bigger and better. I feel like this was like £3 maybe. If it was any more, then I didn't realise. But yeah, again, they do these in black, all clear. Okay, then I just picked up another Minky. This is supposed to be like the kitchen one. I do just like get a new Minky like every probably 6 weeks. No, maybe 8 weeks actually, that's a lie. I do wash mine, but sometimes they're just beyond repair in the wash, and I feel like the sponginess isn't always the same. So yeah, grab one of them. I then just picked up some Mentos gum, sugar-free, menthol, just in case you're in the car, you know, you need some gum or you've got bad breath or something. It's just always handy to have, so grab some of those. Oh, and then got, this is the fabric conditioner I got, guys. It's the Comfort Pure. I feel like people use this for like newborn babies and stuff, but yeah, this was like $1.99. Doesn't have too much of a smell to it, but it just smells like fresh and clean. So yeah, that is the combination of wash thing I've been using for my sensitive skin. Oh, then I picked up these for Mitchell actually. I feel like his bad back's gone now, but Mitchell's basically really been suffering from like a lower back pain. I think it's probably just to do with his job. But yeah, I come across these deep freeze cold patch. They do hot ones, but I thought with the hot ones, like whilst the weather's been warmer, you probably won't want a hot patch on. So yeah, it just says significantly proven cooling for back, neck, shoulder, legs and feet. So yeah, I thought I'd just have them in the cupboard in case he has a bad back again. But yeah, let me know guys what you can do for a bad lower back, because he's really been suffering with it. Right, then I picked up more cat treats, of course. These Licky Licks, oh my god, my cats go mental for these. I don't know what it is about these, but they go absolutely nuts. So I got some of them for them. I actually saw on TikTok like a good hack of putting them in your freezer for when it's like really hot, and like if your cats are hot, to cool them down. I'm not sure if that's good or not. Do they get brain freeze like as humans? I bet they do, but yeah, I've not tried it, but I saw it. And then I also got on the sticks as well, because they do love the sticks too. Okay, last few things I got, just some more Harpic Active Fresh in Mountain Pine, my absolute fave. Again, just a cleaning essential. And then I just picked up some more tuna. This is like the no drain one. I just think tuna's always a good cupboard essential, and I ran out, and it's also a good cupboard essential if you ever run out of cat food, because it's like, oh, I've got tuna. But yeah, so I just got some more of that, really for a cupboard restart. And then the final thing I picked up, guys, were some more Maryland birthday cake minis. I can never find these in like Morrison's or any supermarkets. I feel like Asda occasionally do them, but they've been sold out every time I've been in. So yeah, Home Bargains is always my go-to place for these. You get 6 bags, 98 cal per bag, and honestly, they're unreal with a cup of tea. Like, highly recommend. I probably prefer these to like the normal Marylands, and that's a statement. So yeah, so happy to get another pack of those. But yeah, anyway guys, that is everything I picked up from Home Bargains this month. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you have enjoyed this Home Bargains haul. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe if you're new here and want to see more of this kind of content. And yeah, I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.